Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. Today's video is from my You Ask, I Answer series, where I answer questions from the YouTube comments that I receive. And just to let you know, your questions and comments are truly appreciated on my channel. And as you'll see, the comment was very helpful in letting me know that the video, which I created 1 year ago, actually no longer applies to some Facebook pages today. And as you may know from watching other videos, your page may look like the old version of the Facebook business page, but the commenter today has the new version, and we're going to talk about that. So the name of the video is how to change your Facebook page name and username, and it was from the Facebook's new page experience. Today's comment comes from Chinaza Beauty. Chinaza Beauty asks, I can't find this on my page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 2024 version of how to change your Facebook page name and username. From your Facebook business page, go ahead and click on Settings on the left side navigation. Next, over on the left side navigation again, scroll down until you see Page Setup. Click on Page Setup. Over on the right, you'll see the Page Setup page. Under the name of your page, you'll see Name and then the name of your page. To the right of the name of your page, click on View. Now, I will tell you this. A couple of times I clicked on View and it gave me an error, and I did get some people in the comments that experienced the same situation. What I told them to do and what I did was I just refreshed my page a few times. It took a few times before this page came up. So don't be discouraged if you receive that error. And you may even, I had one person who had to come back later on a different day because no matter how many times they refreshed, they received an error. So do not give up. Just keep coming back to this page. So over on the right, you will see General Page Settings. Under General Page Settings, you will see Name and then the name of your Facebook business page. Click on Edit, and in the Name field is where you would change your page name. And there is a note from Facebook that says if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So whatever you do, please make sure that the name that you are selecting is the name that you want to keep. Facebook is very finicky about people changing their page names multiple times. Next, you will click on the review change button, and then Facebook will let you know how many days it will take for them to review it, and they will also ask for your password. So you'll enter your password, and then you will hit whatever's next. Now, I can't tell you because I'm not changing my page name right now, but it's probably submit or submit for review or something like that. But you'll see it once you hit the review change button, and just follow the prompts there. So under name, you will see username. After the Facebook URL will be your username. And we're going to go ahead and click on edit. And you'll do the same thing here. Click in the username field, enter your page username, which really should match because this is a business page. You want to make sure that the name of the page and the username match because that's your brand or business name, right? So make sure that they match, make sure that they make sense to your audience. After you've entered your username, go ahead and click on Save Changes. And once again, Facebook will ask for your password. Enter your password, and I'm quite sure, if I recall correctly, they will give you a little message and let you know how often you can change your username or whatever the rules are. Just make sure that you read whatever happens after that. I hope you, along with Chinaza Beauty, found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Once again, this is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.